I don't lie. I protect, and I feed, and I teach. And all I ask of you is that you follow 3 simple rules. 3 rules. And you know what? You can't even do that. You're grounded. You know what that means? It means no egos. And no TV for a week. All right, knock it off. Oh, okay. 2 weeks. Let go. A month.
No.
Well, congratulations. You just graduated from no TV for a month to no TV at all.
No.
You have got to understand that there are consequences to your actions.
You are like Papa.
Huh, I'm like that psychotic son of a bitch. Okay, alright. You want to go back to the lab? 1 phone call, I can make that happen.
I hate you.
Yeah, well, I'm not so crazy about you either. You know why? Because you're a brat. Do you know what that word means? How about that be your word for the day? Brat. Why don't we look it up? B-R-A-T, brat. Hey, what the hell is wrong with you?
Yeah.
Hey!
No, fuck this shit, man. Yeah.